Hello, this is EGK, and we are trying to find the cave to go to the Forgotten Grotto. We're gonna go into Oasis. We're in Oasis Springs, and we're gonna go to the land grab. And you need 10 hand skill. And it does take a while. Okay. Well, where is this cave? There, maybe? Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay, so go to the land grabs. Then you follow the path. Follow the street. Oh, a little ways, and then you go down the path. Just seeing it. Okay. There it is, right there. We're gonna break in. Okay. Then we're gonna explore. exploring cave. Katerina, ever the intrepid explorer, sets out to spelunk the cave. There are two pathways. The nearer of the two is a bit stalactic tight, but Katrina still might fit if she squeezes. We're going to take the narrow path. Exploring cave. The dark, winding fissure proves too difficult to navigate. Katrina quickly becomes timid and frustrated. Okay. Well, I don't think we did anything. We're going to explore it again. We didn't find out no secrets. This time we're going to take the wide path. Ooh. No need to try something dangerous. Katrina creeps down the main branch and spies through the dim remaining light. A switchback headed gradually up and a rickety ladder headed down. So should we take switchback or climb the ladder? We're going to take switchback. That takes it back to the entrance. Shoot. So don't do that. Do the ladder. Okay, explore it again. We will get this. So take the wide path and then go up the ladder. Climb the ladder. Okay. Katrina carefully plunges into a black abyss, groping her way along splintery rungs. After a long descent, a faint azure light starts to fill the expanse below. She can step off into a dim, mossy precipice or continue into the blue. Let's keep climbing. Seemingly infinite rungs takes Katrina down and down and down. After an exhausting while, she realizes she needs to retreat lest she gets stuck down there forever. Okay, well, that didn't do it either. Let's explore. Wow. So I'm going to take the wide path. Climb the ladder. Let's step onto the ledge instead of keep climbing. Oh, I'm exploring. Travel the grotto. Okay. Now, if you want to see it, you can stay on this. If you don't want to see it, and you want to see it for yourself, you can stop the video. It's up to you. But I'm going to keep it going and show you. I have never been here before, so this is also my first time. Okay, it's almost there. Now it wants me to take photos in the cave. Where am I? Ooh, let's take photos of this. Okay, so we can go to your phone, go over to camera, and take selfies. We want to take the cave. Yeah. There we go. Now it wants to share your experiences exploring the Forgotten Grotto. Select the sim and choose share findings about the Forgotten Grotto. So you're going to talk to people about this? Let's see. First of all, I'm going to I like to change my aspirations. Since I'm going to be maybe getting stuff, I like to put it into the curator because that looks like I'm gonna look for frogs. Ooh, what's this? You can fish here. Let's see what kind of fish there is. That's cool. Okay, some more frogs. Oh no. Wild sage bush. This is mushroom plant. Dig. I don't know what this is. Something. Potato plant. You can go fishing here. Go fishing there. We're not gonna fish. We have some stuff to dig. We're gonna dig up some stuff. Some secrets, maybe. This is a plant. Mushroom. Okay. I think we're about done. Too bad we couldn't view this or something. There's a lot of plants. Bats. So yeah, this is the Forgotten Grotto. Okay.